Okay, Commander, I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. Time.
Okay, we are moving on. Patriots! Utafungua sio na kufunga. Kwa wakati yako endelea.
You don't have the time here. I want to tell them. I'm brave and I'm telling you, not more than 30 seconds. Not more than 30 seconds. When I want to trade time, no time, and you tell me there. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Turn magazine, turn. You turn magazine.
Number 4, as you see, number 6, number 7, as you see. Because maybe there's a technical problem.
Put it down. Put down.
So there, I look at the banner. The banner was taken. First way there. Here I introduce only number 1 and number 2. Number 1 was from Lira Corporation. Number 2 was the United States. Thank you very much. I'm very people there. To say number 1.
10 days of rigorous patriotism course, both in class and in the field.